The Infinix GT30 Pro has recently surfaced in a Geekbench listing, providing key insights into its hardware ahead of its anticipated launch. The device was identified by its model number, X6873, which matches the same identifier previously seen in the IMEI database, further solidifying its authenticity. According to the benchmark listing, the smartphone is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chipset, paired with a substantial 12 GB of RAM, ensuring strong performance for gaming and multitasking. In the Geekbench 6 tests, the GT30 Pro achieved a single-core score of 1,204 and a multi-core score of 4,057, indicating solid processing capabilities for a mid-range to high-end device. Additionally, the listing confirms that the phone will launch with Android 15 out of the box, likely customized with Infinix's XOS skin for additional features and optimizations. Looking at its predecessor, the GT20 Pro, we can expect the GT30 Pro to come with several premium upgrades. These may include a high refresh rate AMOLED display for smoother visuals, a gamer-centric design with RGB lighting or aggressive styling, and a large battery capacity of at least 5,000 mAh to support extended gaming sessions. Given Infinix's focus on performance-oriented devices, the GT30 Pro could also feature advanced cooling technology and fast charging support to enhance the overall user experience.